Jay, make it move this.
We early. Two. Early man, yeah, that's family. What's good? What is going on with y'all? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy here, back as promised with an early look today, man. Today we are getting into a shoe that is releasing. I don't know when, y'all. I don't know the official set release date, and I don't want to throw anything out there because Nike, they push, they move, they do everything when it comes to these release dates. Most recently, we've seen it with the Nike Foamposite Psychic Blues. Anything could change at any minute, y'all. So we just gonna say sometime in 2025 this shoe will be releasing. It is a collab with Maniere, y'all. If you guys do not know, there is a release of a Maniere Jordan 5 upcoming, and I do have it here in the building. I asked y'all yesterday, I said, do y'all want to see the bright cactus, Travis Scott's, or do you want to see an early look? And y'all all voted majority an early look of the kicks, and we got them here today, man. So we're gonna get into all that. Before we do it, this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam. I would love for you to stick around by hitting that subscribe button down below. We are on the road to 200K, still a little under 6,000 away from that goal, man. So if you are new, I would love for you to stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button and rock out with us over here, man. OGs, man, everybody who has been rocking out, make sure real quick, double check that you were still subscribed, y'all, because a lot of people get unsubscribed for no reason. Out the blue, YouTube does it, I guess, just to see if y'all are still tuned in. I don't know what the case is, but make sure that you were still subscribed if you have been an OG member. And like I said, all the new members, make sure y'all hit up that comment section down below. Let me know that you are new. I will be getting back to those comments as always. Hey, if you know, you know. But yes, man, we do have a shoe that is set to be releasing soon in the next couple months. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Whew. Bang! You see what's going on, man. We got an all white box here, man. It's clean. Take a look at the box, man. As you can see, it does have the Maniere logos all throughout the box. It is the same box that we have seen on previous Maniere Jordan 5s, but this time around we got the all white box, y'all. So this one, it's gonna get dirty if you don't be delicate with it, y'all. But I do have here a size 12 in the building. I also have a few other sizes available over at JTSG. If y'all want these, I have them available right now. For those of y'all who are already over there at JTSG Closet, y'all got first deals because it is a private page. You have to request to be in it, and by the time you request, if you ain't in it already, they might be already gone, man. So like I said, JTSG Closet on Instagram. If you want to send me an email, I want to say I have 12 and a half, 13, 15 left. That's all I have left, y'all. So this 12 is already gone. So right here we do have the Air Jordan 5 Retro OGSP. Color blocking is white, violet, or. And yes, it is a Maniere, y'all. Like I said, very just stealthy. You got the Jumpman right there on the side. On the size tag side, you got the whole, you got the Jumpman, you got the Maniere logos all throughout it, y'all. But popping off the box lid, y'all. I do like the packaging, y'all. I did peep into it, y'all. Take a look. Who is this? Who is this? I don't know who that is. Is that James Whitner? I don't think that's James Whitner, but it could be. I don't know. Comment down below who that is with the hoodie on. Just post it up. Man, RIP Trayvon Martin. It looked like it's Trayvon Martin, but let me not go into that because y'all gonna be like, bro, that's. But anyways, man, definitely some dope detailing. You do have that picture on the top of the box lid. Outside of that, inside the box, now the paper, I didn't unveil it all the way, so I don't know what everything on it says once you roll it out. But on the paper right here itself, you do got the Jumpman, you do have the Maniere written out right there, and then you do have the places where they're located. I want to say Atlanta, Harlem, Houston, Chicago, London, DC. So that is, I want to say, the dates. And hold on, is the release date of these on the paper? That would be different, y'all. Is that the release date, June 19th, 2025? That could be a potential release date, y'all. So y'all want to rock with that? June 19th could be the release date for these. But when you flop open that piece of the top paper, you do have, of course, from where it's folded up, y'all, it looks like it does have the greatest player ever written on the top of the paper. Some other things as well. I do kind of want to open it up to read it all, but I ain't even gonna do it. But you do have 1, do good, 2, human rights overall, 3, you see us and we see you, 4, we need access to a higher standard. And 5, we have the right to express ourselves freely. You do have all that written right there on the paper. You do have those 5 statements or quotes, you know what I'm saying? But now when we pop it open, as you can see, I do see right here on the inside, y'all, you do got that stamp, man. What kind of stamp is that right there in that corner, y'all? That's something different. You do got that type of stamp right there at the top. Then you do got the white and green sticker right there beneath it. So you do have all that in here. This does have the same insert, the same separation slip that does come with the Jordan 5 metallics and shoes such as those. But when we take it out, they will be individually wrapped. So let's go ahead and unwrap it and see what they are looking like, y'all. Bang! So here we have both shoes, y'all, man. So taking a look at them from a quick browse, I only see one minor difference between the 2 shoes, but we do have the Jordan 5 Maniere and they looking Maniere, y'all. And what I mean by that, man, it has that same earth tone type of color. Like all these shoes, man, I don't know, man. Shout out to James Wooden. I'm not taking anything from him. The shoes are dope, you know, but they just all kind of looking the same, you know. It's like, and these kind of are giving me the vibes, y'all. What are those women's Jordan 5s that recently released, y'all? There was a women's Jordan 5s with the gold hits on it, and it's giving me that same type of vibe on these. And you know, just slight subtle differences. Of course, there's more detailing on these, but they remind me strongly of those women Jordan 5s, man. Y'all comment down below, what are your thoughts on the Jordan 5 Maniere first look right here, y'all? Now I do love the Stitch 2-3 right there on the side. I love the detailing of the Nike Air on the back, man. What are y'all thoughts, man? Y'all let me know down below. But like I said, man, the differences between the 2 shoes, the only thing I can see right now is the tongue, y'all. You do got the Maniere logo branding on the left shoe, and on your right shoe you do got the Jumpman. So that is the only difference I see between the 2 shoes. And on the bottom as well, you do got the Maniere logo versus the Jumpman logo. So subtle differences. These have the same type of leather, y'all, as the Jordan 5 Fire Red from a few years back. If you guys recall that, it has the same exact leather. I want to say it's the same exact leather as those women 5s as well, y'all. So pretty much the same shoe that we've seen, just with a different color slapped on it, you know. We do get the cream Maniere laces that come with them. You do have the large bag with the spacing at the top. Y'all let me know, man, what are y'all thoughts and opinions on these? Is it a pass? Is it a cop, y'all? But these, I don't know, man. I don't know. Your boy Jay might grab a pair. I might grab a pair. I'm not 100% sold on them because I have other shoes already that look like this, the same color blocking. But let me know where these stack up against previous Maniere, y'all. I'm going to show you the previous Retro 5s real quick so we can compare real quick and see which one is the superior of them all. Bang! So here are the 2 previous colorways, the Dusk and Dawn colorways of the Jordan 5 Maniere. We did have a men's pair, which is right here, and then we got the women's pair as well. In my opinion, this got to be the best Maniere to drop to date. In my opinion, y'all, this black pair go crazy, y'all. This has to be my favorite. Y'all let me know what are y'all's. But out of these 3 right here, man, which one are y'all going with, man? Is it gonna be the Dusk, the Dawn, or it will be this pair? I don't know the exact nickname they got for these, but I know it is a nickname for them, y'all. But hey, man, it is pretty much identical outside of the age side panel, y'all. The Cajun on the Dusk and Dawn pair was a little more aged. This one is slightly aged. It's not a complete white on the side, but you know, it's cool, man. But y'all let me know, what are y'all thoughts and opinions on these? They do come with the black laces. I think the black laces is a good look, y'all. That's definitely a good addition for them to just start it out OG laced up just like this. I think that's a good look, y'all. Of course, you got the milky lace lock with the Nike branding in it. And yeah, man, I ain't mad at these at all. The insole, y'all, I took a picture and I looked at the insole. It does have the Maniere A's all throughout it. It has the Stitch Nike Air, and I want to say maybe a Jumpman. Nah, both shoes might have the Nike Air. Yeah, both shoes have the Stitch Nike Air in it. So, you know, not really much to go over, just a plain all over white shoe, but it is clean, y'all. Definitely a clean pair. The maroon and the brown, is that a brown? I want to say that's a brown, you know what I'm saying, on that back half, y'all. But it's definitely a clean shoe. Y'all comment down below, is it a cop? Is it a pass? These will be releasing in the next couple months, maybe June. Like I said, the paper is hinting to June 19th, I want to say it was. And I wonder what day does that fall on. Is that a Saturday? June 19th is a Thursday, y'all. So I I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what June 19th mean, but I know it's a lot more meaning to it than what I know. Just got to do a little bit of research on it, y'all. But yeah, man, these Maniere Jordan 5s, which are set to be releasing sometime this year, are officially out and about. Behind the tongues, I don't know if y'all can see it, but one says Maniere, one has Michael Jordan's signature. Also, you do have the Maniere logos all throughout the back panel of the tongue, y'all. But y'all let me know, what is y'all thoughts on these? Is it a cop? Is it a pass? What are we doing? But I do have them in the building. Like I said, if y'all want a 12.5, a 13, or a 15, I have them available at JTSG Closet, as well as a whole bunch of other things. Just lock in with your boy, and I'll get y'all straight over there. But that is pretty much it, man. Y'all let me know where these stand. Are y'all copping? Are y'all passing? What y'all doing with them? But that is it. Till the next one, your boy Jay will be catching up with y'all. And yeah, got some movies on the way, man. But y'all stay blessed. I'm gone.